Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how to get off the Amazon Flex waiting list. Because usually, you know, you want to go ahead and sign up when it's not the holidays. It is way easier to get accepted. And honestly depends on the location. If you are in a busy city, it can have longer wait list periods. Since more gig workers are trying about Amazon Flex and they want side hustles. And sometimes during different seasons, like Christmas, there's a boost in Amazon Flex drivers since the company needs to keep up with delivery. So when it is that season, it is easier for you to become an active driver much faster. And sometimes they run new driver promotions in certain markets. This can lead to a rapid increase in signups, so you might find yourself on the wait list if you do not act quickly. But just apply as soon as it is possible. And if you really are in a hurry to get off of the waiting list, you can reach out to customer support. That is the only viable option. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button. And if you appreciate the honesty, make sure you subscribe to the channel.